Today we'll discuss what all are the basic Docker command which we are using every day in our life. If you are using Docker, then we have a Docker run which will be run a container from an image. So Docker run and then image name. We have a Docker build which will be build an image from a Docker file, Docker build -t and then file name. Others we have a Docker pull. So Docker pull the image from the registry, Docker pull and then file name. Others we have a Docker push which is used to push this image to the registry. So Docker push and then file name, image name. Another we have a Docker image, so list of all the images on your machine. So Docker images. Others we have a piece, so we'll be check all the running containers. So Docker ps. We have a stop, Docker stop command, so stopping running container, Docker stop one container name, and then Docker start which will be used for the start the container name, Docker start container name. We have a restart, so Docker restart is running the container, so Docker restart container name. Then we have a Docker kill, so forcefully stop a running container. If something happen, then you have forcefully you want to kill this, then Docker kill container. Then Docker remove rm, so remove stop a container, and then Docker rmi, remove an image from your machine. So Docker rmi is used for remove an image from your machine. And Docker exe, so run a command in a run container. So Docker exe -t my container name. Then Docker logs, we have to check all the view logs of the container. Then Docker logs container name. Inspect is a container of image, so Docker inspect container or image by using Docker inspect and container name or image name. Docker cp means copy the file from container and your local system. So Docker cp and then local file and then path. Docker system, removing everything, and then Docker saves load image frame to tar archives. So these all are the command which we use for the daily basis, basic command on daily basis we are using for the Docker. If you are using to create an image, if you are using to managing the containers, that cases we will use for the command.